What comes to your mind when I say the word compensation? It means something slightly different to you based upon your experience and your responsibility. Regardless of this, we can agree that this is a topic which is not easy in any respect because it is an accumulation of work. With a practical viewpoint, we can prepare our engineering tools and our methods to help manage any of the situations that we might encounter. This is the focus of a recent webinar that myself and a colleague, Volkan Karakish, presented on compensation. A bit more about what I mean with the statement of being practical. From an ideal condition, we prepare the die face design and process, including compensation at various process tools, and achieve a quality of the panel that we set forth in the real tools. This is an ideal condition, and now we only need to make this a reality in the tools. But there are things that always are at play. We fight the real world, things that we cannot control, and things that we know are going to happen. We still have to react and deal with that status, those different situations. One very common situation is a change to the compensation for dimensional accuracy of a panel, which we now need to affect or place a design change, for example. Knowing that each case could be unique and that there may need to be special attention paid to various areas of that part for quality, we should build tools which give us this flexibility in how we might address those. The methods can be utilized in any stage, and we continue to kind of use our experience. Our simulation analysis and efficient surface modification tools will allow us to best possible outcome that we might want. Review these additional example and methods in the webinar and contact us for more information about compensation within AutoForm.